here in today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are extremely profitable, and they have a high keyword niche score, as well as other profitability data that is shown in the analytics section. Now, we are using 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of these keywords. And before we get started, if you are looking for videos that reveal profitable Amazon KDP keywords as well as strategies to make passive income online, follow the channel, subscribe, click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. And let's have a look at the first out of the 4 keywords for the day. And the first keyword is daily couples therapy workbook. And daily couples therapy workbook has a really high keyword niche score of 69 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and it also has a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension. Now, number 9 is the highest on the scale when it comes to the keyword niche score by Amazon's Cat Pro, and I'm quite happy with that, and it complements beautifully with the 69. Also, the total results are under 1,000, sitting at 788, and also the bestseller rank averages under 300,000, which is ideal, and it sits at an average of 51,730. The average reviews are 2,086, and the average price is $14.53. Now, we are looking at a workbook niche that revolves around couples therapy, and it's a daily workbook. So it's up to you whether you want to create a 365 days or whether you want a 90 days or a 30-day daily couple therapy workbook. And you can also check out Creative Fabrica, and I've included a 30-day free trial for an all-access Creative Fabrica subscription. You can check it out, linked in the description box below. Also, I have a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, which then again you can access in the description box below as well. Now, let's see if there's any interiors available in Creative Fabrica for that. Now, we clicked on daily, we searched up daily couples workbook. There was nothing on the exact keyword, but we're just going to write couples therapy workbook and see what comes up, if there is anything that is available, any sort of interiors as well. We're going to remove the word therapy and daily. And this is what you need to do, so you don't give up if you just copy and paste the keyword and nothing comes up. So we have a total of 37 results for the keyword couples workbook. We're going to go ahead and filter based on KDP interiors, and we have a total of 33 KDP interiors on the keyword couples workbook. And there's a couple of ways you are able to approach this as well. You'll also find some Valentine's themes, Valentine's journal. I just keep that because it has nothing to do with it. You want to be really specific. You're creating a therapy workbook, a workbook that helps couples with therapy. It could be a prompt journal with questions, with prompt explanations. It could be an activity book to do with really helping couples to find their triggers, find their their emotions, communicate better as well. You might want to use some strategies in there. You also need to use some comprehensive information as well, include some data, include some information to help couples find strategies that are useful for helping them to heal as well. Now, the second keyword for the day is couples workbook for trust and communication. Before that was for therapy. This one's specifically for helping to emphasize and helping to improve the trust and communication factor when it comes to couples. So you really got to be quite specific. All the data here prove that this is a extremely profitable niche. First of all, we do have the keyword niche score of 64, which is quite high. We have a total results being under 1,000, which sits at 517. We have the bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal, and it sits at an average of 233,373. Also, the average reviews of 581. Average price is $15.15, and a clarification by Amazon's Scout Pro Chrome extension, which you can see it gives us the highest in the scale of a keyword niche score of number 9, categorizing this as a great niche. Now, you could do this a couple of ways. You could create a book that is either an ebook or a paperback, or even both, to do with a couple's book for improving trust and communication. You don't need to include the word workbook in there if it's not something that you are creating, and then that way you'd have a book that is designed to be read by couples to help them improve their trust and communication. You can also use ChatGPT to help lay out the book, not to copy it word by word, but to help out at least give you some examples of what could be in the tables of contents, and what could be some of the things that you could mention there as well. You could outsource it on Fiverr or any other platform that allows you to outsource it to a ghostwriter, or even write it yourself. Then I would create a workbook that is specifically a part 2 series from that same book as well, to help in including exercises, including some prompts in there as well, to help get a practical approach to the information that I provided in the actual book and apply it in a workbook way. Another way is you could create a prompt journal, which could be a couple's workbook for trust and communication prompt journal. That way it would be containing line sheets, and there would be 30, 60, or even 90 prompt journals, or prompt questions and sentences to help couples improve their trust and communication with each other. Another way is you could also create a short book to do with 30 or 60 strategies, for example, to help couples improve their trust and communication, and there would be one strategy dedicated for each piece. It could be a large print, it could be a written in a font that is quite large as well for one strategy to fit the whole full page, and it could be a great book as well for that. So there's a couple of different ideas. I'd like to share this great profitable keyword with you. Couples workbook for trust and communication is our second keyword for the day. Now, if you've been enjoying these videos, do let me know. Click on the subscribe button, support the channel. I'd love to have you on board, and let's have a look at the third keyword, which is also quite profitable as well, and it is infidelity recovery workbook for couples. And my apology, this can be a trigger for some people out there, lovely viewers who may have unfortunately dealt with infidelity on a personal level. So if you do not feel comfortable with pursuing this niche, I understand, no worries, but I just saw the profitability of this is quite amazing, and there's a couple of ways to approach it. Either create a workbook that contains activities to help couples recover from infidelity, and obviously they are planning on continuing their relationship and working things out and really helping with healing the relationship as well. Another way is to create an actual book, constructive book, comprehensive, intensive, really a lot of content in there to help them to recover from infidelity. A prompt journal would be wise as well to use that keyword for it. So it has a keyword niche score of 44 by self-publishing titans. Total results are under 1,000, sitting at a super low 105. Average bestseller rank is 261,972, which is under 300,000. I like that. And the average reviews is 646, and the average price is $16.60. We have a beautiful confirmation then again by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a number 9, categorizing this as a great niche, and number 9 is the highest when it comes to the keyword niche score. Now, my apologies, I'm speaking at a quite low tone, and I do have the microphone quite close to me because it is around 1 a.m. right now, and it's the only time I'm able to record during this children's summer holidays at the moment. So I really don't want you guys to miss out on these profitable keywords. That's why I'm sharing it with you at around this time. But if you do have any issues with the sound quality, please let me know in the description box below or in the comment box below, so I'll be able to adjust accordingly. So infidelity recovery workbook for couples is our third keyword for the day. Let's have a look at the fourth and final one, which is connected, yet the profitability factor is there. Infidelity workbook for couples. So the previous one was infidelity recovery workbook for adults, for couples, and we use the word recovery, and that can also be used. How about the last one was infidelity workbook for couples without the word recovery. So it has a keyword niche score of 65, total results 254, and the average bestseller rank sits at 194,479, and average reviews of 1,134, and an average price is $16.59. For this reason right here, because of this high keyword niche score, because of the total results being under 1,000, and also because of the average bestseller rank being ideally under 300,000, I'm going to go ahead and ignore the number 5 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension and provide a analysis for this keyword infidelity workbook for couples. Great keyword. Highly advise you to take this opportunity to create a workbook that is intensive, that does contain a how to use section, that does contain practical tips and advice to help couples heal with that infidelity issues or trust issues as well. And you could also create a workbook for under this section here and use this keyword, and the same applies for the previous one. Use the connecting keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots to help your book rank for both this keyword and the second one as well. Take the opportunity of it. Let me know if you're enjoying these videos, so I know to continue the daily series where I provide daily updated list of profitable Amazon KDP keywords. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.